Welcome to Uncovering Wonders. Are you tired of feeling like you're not getting your way? Do you want to learn how to persuade and influence others effectively? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be sharing with you 5 little-known persuasion techniques that will help you achieve your goals and get people to see things from your perspective. First up, we have the Ben Franklin effect. Named after one of America's founding fathers, this technique is all about getting someone to like you by doing them a favor. The idea is that when you do something nice for someone, they will subconsciously feel like they owe you something in return. So, next time you want to persuade someone, try doing them a small favor first, and watch how much more likely they are to be open to your ideas. For example, if you want to persuade your boss to give you a raise, try doing something extra for them before you ask. It could be as simple as bringing them coffee or offering to help with a project they're working on. By doing something nice for them first, you'll be creating a sense of indebtedness, and they'll be more likely to say yes to your request. Next, we have the foot in the door technique. This method is all about getting someone to agree to a small request first, before asking them for something bigger. By getting them to say yes to a small request, you're building trust and making it more likely that they'll say yes to your bigger request. For example, if you want to persuade your friend to go on a road trip with you, start by asking them if they want to go for a drive with you. Once they say yes to the small request, you can then ask them if they want to go on a bigger trip. By starting small, you're making it easier for them to say yes to your bigger request. Third, we have the decoy effect. This technique is all about giving someone a choice between 2 options, one of which is not as attractive as the other. By doing this, you're making the option you want them to choose seem more desirable in comparison. For example, let's say you're trying to persuade your partner to buy a new car. You can present them with 2 options, a luxury car that's out of their price range, and a more affordable car that's still high quality. By presenting the luxury car as the decoy option, it makes the more affordable car look like a better deal. Fourth, we have the scarcity principle. This principle states that people value things more when they believe they are rare or hard to come by. So, if you want to persuade someone to take action, make it clear that what you're offering is scarce and in high demand. For example, if you're trying to sell tickets to an event, you can say something like only a few tickets left, or don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This creates a sense of urgency and makes people more likely to take action. Last but not least, we have the social proof technique. This method is all about using the actions and decisions of others to influence someone's own behavior. The idea is that people are more likely to do something if they see others doing it as well. For example, if you're trying to persuade someone to try a new restaurant, you can show them pictures or reviews of other people enjoying their meals there. This creates a sense of social proof, and makes it more likely that they will want to try the restaurant too. These techniques may not be well known, but they are incredibly effective when used correctly. And just like the previous techniques we've discussed, they're all based on proven psychological principles that have been studied and tested for decades. By incorporating these methods into your persuasion arsenal, you'll be able to influence and persuade others with more ease and effectiveness. Remember, persuasion is not about manipulation, it's about understanding people and their needs, and using that understanding to get them to see things from your perspective. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Uncovering Wonders.